What's up, guys? Welcome to Edgecombe Outdoors.
So today we're doing our kayak fishing catch and cook. So we're gonna go put the kayaks in our lake, and we'll see you guys when we're fishing.
All right, guys. So we are now in the water. Trey, you ready to go catch some good fish?
Catch some fish.
I'm hungry, so let's go catch some good fish to eat. Feels good to be back in the water now that the rain had stopped. We could finally drive back here, see the beautiful lake, but it'll be a fun one.
Yeah. Got a fish, got a fish.
Hey.
Oh, it's a puny bass. What do you think about that? Oh, hey, that was easy. And my pole just fell in the water, but hey, we're good. We got ourselves a fish, and I'm moving towards Carter. Got ourselves a fish. Put him here in my little basket. Well, we don't know if we'll cook this guy up or not, but put him in there. Tie him on, and well, we'll see if we can catch some more fish. Good thing he didn't jump off like that other one. Wow, he got hooked good. Bluegill. Yeah, he's big enough. Probably bigger than the bass. Carter still hasn't caught a fish, but sorry, just did. Okay. Let's put him in our little basket. This is our other bass. Alright, so far I've got food for me. Carter has no food, but we'll see what we can do. There's a fish. Oh, wow. Oh my, he's pulling. No way.
You break off?
He just spit my lure out. That was a big fish. Oh, gotta be kidding me. That would have fed us.
Yeah.
That would have fed both of us. Come on.
There's one. Finally. Oh yeah. Bigger than Trey's.
Hey, shut up.
Whoa. Oh, he's not bad. Let's get some line here, if I can. Calm down, little guy. It's kind of hard to get one of these stupid things unhooked in a kayak, but it is done. Fish number 3 of the day. Not bad. Probably not the best. But right now, if we were living in the wild, we would be needing to keep all the fish we catch. So, hey, what's the point? You're not gonna get out. You're not gonna get out. Just stop. He's gonna think I'm putting back in the water until. Oh! Somebody's mad over there. That's his second fish lost today. He's pretty hacked off. I'm not. I'm pretty happy right now. Continue fishing here in this nice spot. Pretty sure it goes back there, and there's a creek that goes way back in there. Sometimes it's no water in it, but sometimes there is, and over there's a lot of water like we've had. But we're gonna keep fishing this spot. Hope we catch some more fish.
Okay, one just bit right at my kayak. My GoPro wasn't on though. So this is number 3 for me. Try to get him off. There we go. He's a jumper. I mean, he's a pretty good eater. Put him in the little basket. He's bigger than my first one.
Mine's bigger.
I'll be quiet. You haven't even seen mine yet. Alright, we need to catch some more and we'll see you later. Oh yeah, got another fish. Oh yes. He's a little bit bigger than my last one. Trying to get him off the hook. Hooked him in a really weird way. Right in the corner of his mouth. There we go. He's not bad. He's still kind of small, but right now we need the fish. Yeah, this is not good. So my lid was open and I lost all my fish. Except one. And that was the bluegill. You gotta be kidding me. How in the world did that happen? All my fish are gone except one. My lid was open. Shoot. The bluegill and the bass I just caught. Yeah, they were kind of small. Oh well, now we gotta catch even more. Yep, we got a fish. We got a fish. Come here, buddy. Yes. This is what we needed. And another fish, because a lot of mine got us just escaped. Perfect. Another fish. So all my fish are, I moved all my fish in with Carter because we figured out when I was paddling the water pressure was coming in and pushing this down, so that's how they got out. But let's just hope that I don't have to paddle much. I'm just gonna back up so I can get back to where I caught that guy. All right, let's see if we can catch some more fish. Yes, we got a fish. He doesn't feel very big, but it's a fish. Ooh, another bluegill. He might actually be bigger than the last one. All right, let's bring the basket over here. Add them to that. Woo! All right, let's try to catch some more.
Holy smokes. I am. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Finally a good fish. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Come here, little guy.
We're not leaving.
Yeah, you just saw Carter catch that big one. Yeah, right when he stopped, I caught mine. Literally, we're right when we're about to leave. I think we'll stick here for a couple more minutes and try to catch some more. Oh yeah, let's catch some more fish.
All right, guys, so we got a fish laying over there. We're gonna clean them here a bit, but let's see if we can get this fire started. So, we gotta turn it on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I think we're burning. Alright guys, so we got our fish here. We kept 4 of them. The other ones we let go. Is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna cut their heads off, and then under their belly, we're gonna just cut under here to where we can take all the guts out and cut their fins off and the tail. And the reason we do this is because you get way more meat out of them. You can just take their ribs and their whole bones and everything, peel them all out, and then you get meat and everything. So we're gonna clean them up. Alright guys, so we got our cleaned fish right here, and is what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by taking nice little cut up pieces of butter. We're just gonna place these in here like this, and this is such a nice big one that you gotta put a lot of them in there. Now next, we're gonna take this good old lemon juice and just squeeze a bunch in there. We'll put some on the outside of it here in a bit. And for this one, we're gonna do some kickin' chicken seasoning. It's a little spicy, it's real good. Over here we have some Cajun, we'll do on some others, and some garlic, herb, black pepper, sea salt, which will also be real good. So we're just gonna take this off. Just start sprinkling it around on this if it comes out from the bottom. There we go. Get nice and in there. A lot of that good stuff. Put some on this side. Put some on this side. This is gonna be some kicking fish right here. I'm gonna put some more lemon juice out on the outside. And that is how you do it. And then just take this, fold it in like so, and just fold it like a little burrito. Since this one's bigger, we're gonna go ahead and go put him on the fire, get him started. Fire looks perfect, nice and hot. It's getting dark, so we're just gonna lay him right there. Let's go do the other ones.
Okay guys, so we got all these out of the fire now, and so I'm eating the Cajun one.
And I'm eating...
Oh, I'm eating the kicking and chicken one.
No, I'm eating the Cajun.
He's eating the Cajun, my bad. All right, let's go. Okay, that tastes so good.
It's still got that perfect fish taste. I mean,
and it's nice and thick.
Some people put way too much seasoning on and it just takes the fish flavor away. Man, this just gives you it all.
Oh, this is really good. Way better than our last one.
I say so.
This is just plain done good.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. So much fun. I love cooking fish. I love tasting what we have made, and catching them, of course, is a blast. We're doing it right beside the lake. It's what makes it.
Got dark on us.
Yeah, as you can see, we're got a flashlight on us. but thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down what you think, or maybe what we should do next. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy this fish.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later.